New at 4 today, Arkansas reported a new one-day record increase in deaths caused by the coronavirus as the state's cases surpassed 40,000. The Department of Health reported 20 more deaths from COVID-19, bringing the state's total fatalities to 428. The state's health secretary says 6 of those deaths didn't actually happen within the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of people hospitalized in Arkansas because of the virus increased by 12 to 501. For most people, the new coronavirus causes mild or moderate symptoms like fever and cough that clear up in 2 to 3 weeks. For some, especially older adults and people with existing health problems, it can cause more severe illness, including pneumonia and death. The vast majority of people, though, recover.
Arkansas topped 40,000 cases for the first time since the pandemic began. That's up 734 since yesterday. Active cases, though, dropped by 109. Recoveries up by 823. And here's a look at the current positivity rate for the state. The 2-week average is showing signs of leveling off after a slow but steady incline in the last month. The average right now hovering above 10%.